Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs, and this is Mornings with GraCee. Well, as you can see, I am not dressed and ready for my normal video take. Today I was cleaning, so I am not dressed, I am not ready, but I wanted to stop today and tell you what happened. I was vacuuming my area rugs, and one of the area rugs had a little pull in it that I did not see, and it ripped out some of the ply, made a long thread. So now there's a hole and it needs to be repaired. So I thought I would take a moment today and show you how I'm going to repair my area rug. I hope you'll stay tuned. Thanks. So today I'm going to show you how to repair a throw rug. I just vacuumed this rug and didn't realize there was a string hanging already, and it totally pulled this piece out. And as you can see now, there's a hole where it pulled. So I'm going to take a minute to repair it. So first I'm going to actually cut this extra thread off, and I'm going to trim it down to the same size as the rest of the ply. Well, the reason I was vacuuming the rug was because I was going to wash it. So I'm going to give it a wash, and I'll be back to show you how to fix that area that the rug has pulled. So I'm back, and rug is all washed and cleaned. As you can see, there's the hole that I made from vacuuming, and here's the thread that I pulled out. So I have two needles here. I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. I have a long needle with a point, and then I have our usual darning needle, which is good for yarn. I think I'm going to start with the darning needle though. And I'm going to actually thread it like I'm going to sew. This piece is really long. I'm going to cut it in half, because I really don't need it that long, because even though this rug is loopy, I'm just going to make little ties to fill in the hole. I'll show you how now. So as you see, it's like a canvas under here where the yarn is attached to make the rug. And it's a rubber back, but we're not going to pierce the rubber back. We're going to try to stay in this canvas. And it's pretty long here. I'm going to start on the end, and I'm going to put my needle through the canvas and just do maybe 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch and pull that yarn through. And I won't be able to make loops, but I think I will, just make little ties, just enough so I can fill in the hole, and then we'll cut them the same length as the rest of the rug. And we'll go in through the canvas again and tie another knot. Tie it twice to make a knot. And I have another little shaggy piece there. Okay, so we'll continue doing this for the entire area. Cut that one. Tie the knot. Twice. Another shag. Now this happened to pull out a lot of the rug, so I should have enough to, fix the area. again. You can just continue to cut it this time. Remember, okay. Just, you know, fill it all in. And then at least there won't be that big hole there. Finish my first piece, and I'm going to trim this up to the same length as the rest of the rug, and it's filled in. I'm going to finish this, and I'll be right back. And there you have it. So now there's no more hole. And I noticed over here, I don't know if you can see it, I have another thread that is pulling, so I'm going to give that a trim. So the next time I vacuum, it doesn't catch and pull the rug again. There you go. All repaired. So there you have it. Rug is repaired, and I have to get back to cleaning, but subscribe to my channel, comment and let me know that you stopped by to watch my video, and I hope you like this particular video and others, and remember to share so others can watch too. You have a nice day, and this is Catherine with Mornings with GraCee on GraCee Designs.